Okay, this is Sasha Chua, and I am trying to figure out how on earth to get magit to work with commits and diffs because something strange is happening. So I'm going to take this and see if anyone else is interested in helping me out. One second. Okay, so the key problem that I'm facing right now is that when I look at a commit and I go to a diff, I expect that pressing enter here should show me the diff, which it doesn't because it says wrong type argument string p diff stat. Now I was poking around a little bit in magit.l, and this magit visit item, this thing here, that thing over there, is supposed to visit the item as mentioned, and it does correctly identify it as a diff stat or file untracked, and so it calls magit visit file item info other window. However, this magit visit file item bombs out at the file exists p file because file here ends up being diff stat. So for example, if I edebug that and I press enter on this, you'll find that file here is diffstat, and that's when it complains. So why is it doing that? What's it supposed to do? I mean, looking at the code for this, right? Even if it passed that test, it's still going to try the file directory p, which is going to fail because it's getting the diffstat, just a symbol instead of a file name. And then it's going to fail about badly. Now, there are a couple of things here, I guess, that look at diff stats. What else here looks at diff stat? Diff stat, jumps down to diff stat. Diff section for diff stat. There's a magit show diff stat. No, that just shows it. Wash. Red jump. I don't know what I'm doing. Ediff. Okay. So you see here how there's this there's magit ediff, which actually does show the current diff in that, and that's actually what I want to do. So let's see if this lets me actually this. No, it doesn't. Okay. So, well. I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly anyway. Well, the main thing I'm concerned about is whether I've actually done something that, maybe I accidentally committed a conflict. So if I use the log mode, so I type LL here, it does show me a whole bunch of commits, and maybe there's another way that I can get into the diffs from here. Take a look at what kind of key bindings are associated with this. Toggle section, visit item, that shows me the commit from before. To adjust the size of the disk. I get diff with mark. Maybe I should just mark the two of them. How do I mark things again? Mark. Okay, dot is mark. Dot. Oh, okay. I see. So if I select one of those and I diff this, it should show me something useful. Maybe? Yeah, okay, so this shows me the difference between the two of them. So if I'm here, then if I mark this, mark that equals in this one, and I should get a diff of just those two things, which doesn't quite solve the problem that I was having with not being able to see the diffs for a commit, but might be a reasonable workaround if the whatchamacallit, the thing actually worked instead of delaying oddly. So what's going on here, and why can't I do that diff? Oh, okay, I think I broke it worse. Oops. Right. Oh, okay, we're back. Okay, so we're here. We're looking at magit the log, and we're doing a diff between that and that. And while that's going, I'm going to try to remember the git command that shows the diff for a commit. If I git diff, and then I do that, I use the caret to say the one previous to it. Okay, so this does let me review that thing. All right, seems logical enough. Okay, so it looks like my diffs are fine, actually. So I don't have to solve that problem anymore just because I looked at it the other way. But I would like to solve that problem someday. Maybe not today. Anyway, so that's a little bit of weirdness, and I haven't quite gotten the hang of using magic for that, but it works for everything else. So we'll keep practicing and learn how to use it. I can only find out which window I had this in. Huh. Here we go. Stop sharing and remember where I put my Google Hangouts. Ah, here we are. Okay, bye.